Number 32 kuyo section yethu 3.1. Number 32 uthi ifunction yethu y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 plus 1. Sithola ke i-derivative yakhe. Sizokhumbula ukuthi lapha kune exponential function, i-derivative ye-exponential function exponential function e to the power x. Ngakho ke lena uma sithanda singayibhala njengo e times e to the power x plus 1. Uma sibona e to the power x plus 1 siyasebenzisa umthetho wama indices ukuthi sibhale kanjalo. Ngakho ke i-derivative yethu so ibhala sithi y prime noma dy dx lena i-constant, remember u-e i-constant, ngakho lona i-e and then i-derivative ka e to the power x u-e to the power x, lena i-constant, i-derivative ye-constant u-0, ngakho ke la i-derivative yalena u-e to the power x plus 1.